In this tutorial, let me show you how to play multiplayer on Craftsman without internet. Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. So let's start this tutorial. Here, I have two smartphones. On the right side is my phone and on the left side is my friend's phone. Me and my friend need to open Craftsman first. So here it is. To start the process, I need to turn on my phone's personal hotspot. I can do that by going to my phone's control panel. Here is the personal hotspot. Turn it on. You can also turn on your personal hotspot by going to settings, just in case if you can find it here. Once done, your friend's phone needs to turn his Wi-Fi on and tell him to connect your personal hotspot. Tell your friend to create a world. After creating the world, tell him to turn his Wi-Fi off and turn his hotspot on. On your phone, you need to turn your personal hotspot off and turn your Wi-Fi on. Connect to your friend's personal hotspot. You can now join your friend's world by clicking on play. Then click on friends and you will be able to see your friend's world. Here is my friend's world. It's Ed's world. To join, just click on it and I am now playing the Craftsman with Ed even though we don't have internet. And there you have it. You can now play with your friends and Craftsman without internet. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.